Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth with SPK and Associates, and today I'm going to give you a quick demonstration about the wonders of SPK SolidWorks PDM in the cloud. Perhaps you're already familiar with what SolidWorks PDM can do for your product development. As a quick overview, SolidWorks PDM manages and synchronizes your design data across your entire enterprise with a single, easily deployable solution. Your data is kept secure, up-to-date, and accessible, which saves time and development costs. Whether it's over the last few months or the last few years, perhaps you've realized that a PDM system based in an office building can't efficiently serve your design engineers who work remotely in different offices or even different time zones. At SPK and Associates, we're invested in keeping your data secure and accessible and keeping your engineers connected across all different time zones. We know firsthand that using VPN to connect is a painful and slow process. During the pandemic, very few people have been in the office, and many of your employees will continue to work remotely into the future. What's more, it takes an IT person to manage the SolidWorks PDM server in the office, but since they're not focused on SolidWorks PDM, they're not quite sure how to manage the server. Or maybe you have a design engineer who supports it, but that's not a great use of their time. You need a system that can be monitored remotely by a team of professionals with SolidWorks PDM experience, and that's where we come in. The answer to all of these difficulties is SPK's SolidWorks PDM in the cloud. But the first question that everyone asks is, how is the performance? And does it really work? Yep, it really does. Now in this video, we demonstrate the ability to upload files from a client's computer straight into the cloud. The demo shown includes a download and upload of an assembly of about 60 small files. As it starts, you can see the upload takes less than a minute, 45 seconds to be exact. The upload illustrates a few benefits of PDM in the cloud. 1, it's easy to implement. 2, the upload occurs quickly. 3, it provides real-time collaboration. And 4, it brings the entire product record together. Working in the cloud provides instant access to teams and partners without tedious client installations or training programs. The challenges of global time differences, language barriers, and mismatched versions of product information are greatly reduced when companies are able to centralize, control, and analyze their data. SolidWorks PDM in the cloud provides just that. You not only connect your data, but also connect your people. By prioritizing the accessibility of the data, it also allows your engineers to collaborate more easily. In the cloud, your engineers can build a scalable collaboration platform that lets every designer reach the parts of the product they need to be working on. With SolidWorks Cloud PDM and a global filing system, manufacturing teams gain efficient cross-site CAD collaboration. Perhaps most importantly, the file transfer is very secure. As we know, transferring large files in the cloud between engineers, contract manufacturers, and acquired companies is essential, but must be done as safely as possible. And actually, cloud storage is now more secure than traditional data center storage for most technology companies. Cloud storage encrypts the data at rest and in flight, and adds other safeguards with a global filing system. I want to stress another benefit of SPK SolidWorks PDM in the cloud. It allows capacity and performance to scale easily and effectively. The sheer size of modern design files can get in the way of storing and sharing them. In some cases, latency causes hours of wait times for CAD models to synchronize and open. In other cases, group directories and project shares constantly run out of space. The answer is a modern solution, a global filing system that is based in cloud storage and extends to any number of edge sites. Such a system offers unlimited storage capacity and performance for CAD files across any number of locations. Additionally, this cloud-based system is better at accelerating communication between manufacturers and their supply chain partners, while providing increased visibility for all teams, and ultimately increasing control and quality. This not only saves you time, but also saves you money with low upfront costs. It also simplifies the job for your IT engineers, as the cloud infrastructure consolidates all the disparate systems involved in CAD data into a unified platform. Aging file infrastructure spread out at the edge slows down file sharing and causes CAD data to be inaccessible when devices go down. Conversely, a global file system with cloud storage creates a platform that's reliable, cheaper, and easy to deploy, operate, and scale. While SPK's Cloud PDM can work well alone, when coupled with CAD in the cloud, the performance and ease of use skyrockets. The CAD in the Cloud solution employs a virtual CAD workstation, or VCAD, that is capable of running a heavy graphical processing load required by CAD designers. Together, SPK's PDM and CAD in the cloud alleviate the pains of designing, collaborating, and validating with distributed engineering teams. This secure, cloud-hosted CAD PDM solution simplifies and reduces the cost of your current CAD infrastructure. In addition, it enables your remote workforce while delivering instant ROI and increased productivity. SPK's cloud hosting for CAD and PDM guarantees rapid deployment, secure hosting, predictable costs, and 24/7 application management, along with optimization and updates from SPK's experienced application specialists. If you're looking to learn more, head on over to our website for case studies, blog posts, and of course, our contact form. We look forward to working with you, and we hope you're staying as safe and as healthy as you can.